Hello everyone, today I want to talk with you about the aspect ratio widget. First of all, I like to start with you by putting here this container, and I write here, for example, color blue, and around it I will wrap this widget aspect ratio. And it has also a parameter which is called aspect ratio. And here inside we put like two parameters, so for example 4 divided by 3. And this aspect ratio means that we have 4 blocks in width and 3 blocks in height. So the width is a little bit longer than the height, and you can change it here. For example, 4.3 is like really common to use, but we also can use, for example, 1 divided by 1, so it's a square, so the width and height will be the same, like you can see here. And I run this here in a web browser so that I can show you if I change here the dimensions, then also the width and height will change automatically, so you don't need to supply your widgets with a specific width and height, so it will automatically change the dimension depending on the device which you have. And for example, for videos you take 4 divided by 3. These are like really common to use. So this is, for example, used by videos, or much more common is 16 divided by 9. So this here, I think you know this format. And for photography, we use simply 1 divided by 1 commonly. So this is really common. Or other formats like 5 divided by 4. This is what you can use. 4 divided by 3 is another example. And here you can also use 16 divided by 9. For example, like if you have a website like I have here right now, then it might also be common to use 16 divided by 9 for an image, and it will automatically size here, like you can see. Or we can also use 21 divided by 9, so that we have here more in width and less in height. And here you can see that it also scales. Alright, so this was about here a blue thing, but we can also put here obviously other widgets inside. So we can put here, for example, an image inside. So let's put here a child and image.network, and now we put here some link inside. And now if I hot reload it, you see that the image is here placed inside, but it doesn't take the aspect ratio of 21 divided by 9 because we have here not set the other parameter, which is called fit. And then you have here this box fit attribute, and here you have cover. So it means it should cover the whole width and height, because right now it's not covering it. So if we do this and then we hot restart, you will see that it takes then this whole width and height. So it's really important that you also set for images, for example, this fit. Now you can also change it again here to different formats, and then it will also change the image according to this format. And it will also resize this image then again depending on the dimension of your device or of your web browser. So in the end I can remove this here, this widget with container and blue. It was just for demonstration purposes. And yeah, you can use every widget you want to change the dimension with this aspect ratio widget, and just place your widget inside and then change here the width block and the height block. And that's all what you need to do. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here to get the latest news about Flutter, and see you soon. Bye!